Have you guys ever thought about, when I retire, I'm going to be doing this, I'm going to do this, or have you retired and not thought about what you're going to do? I've heard so many people who are afraid to retire because they have no clue what they're going to do. Well, they say retirement is supposed to be the best time of your life. No deadlines, no bosses, no alarm clocks, just peace and quiet. Maybe a few naps, maybe a few extra naps. But then one day after retirement, you wake up and realize you've rearranged your spice rack 3 or 4 different times. You've rearranged your living room, changed your bedding how many times? You even given your plants names now. Your plants, you're talking to your plants, they have names. Your favorite conversation partner is the grocery store clerk. That's not retirement. That's a slow descent into boredom. So let's talk about how to break free of that boredom from retirement, or else your next great adventure will be finding a new yogurt. Got to get out of that. We can't stay in the store forever. That's not going to be our socialization, even though I do it. That's the only place I see people is a grocery store now. It is so exciting when I go. I see all these new people. My excitement comes from my cat, watching her chase a ball around the floor. But let's try something new. Let's try an art class, Tai Chi, salsa dancing. The worst case scenario is you can end up with muscles you didn't know you had. Best case scenario, you forget to check your blood pressure for once. I check my blood pressure every day. A routine is great until it becomes a rut. You know, you're constantly doing the same thing every day, and then that's setting you up for boredom. That's setting you up, you know, coffee, news, laundry, television, lunch, more news, maybe a nap or two in there. Congratulations. You just become your own personal background extra. Change it up. Drink your coffee outside. Have a FaceTime and have a conversation over coffee FaceTiming. Have a, coffee partner who you talk with, FaceTime, and you guys share a cup of coffee together. Oh, heck, volunteer somewhere. People actually need some of your expertise that you know. When we were kids, everything was fascinating. A rock was exciting. A bug, woo, what kind of bug is that? Get curious again. You want to learn things. You want to know about something. Look into it. Take a class. Learn an instrument. Learn how to play music. Paint. Do something that during your working life you had no time for. Find something that is so interesting. If you want to learn to cook, you can start looking up, taking a cooking course. If you're bored, you can start a YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing. It keeps me busy, I'm telling you. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be interested in something that makes you want to learn it. You have to find interest in things. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat. I've learned how to try and stay in tune with what is going on now. Sometimes the only thing standing in between you and excitement is the word no. Start saying yes when people offer to take you somewhere or offer you, let's go to lunch. Just stop that. Oh no, I'm too old for that. You're still here. You're never too old. I don't know anyone there. That's how you get to know people, because you meet people when you go places. Just because you don't know anyone, you may meet somebody that you find interesting and get to know. Or no, I might look silly. Join the club. We all look silly. And guess what? Looking silly is half the fun. I dance in the grocery store. My son is not, if he's with me, it doesn't embarrass him. He's enjoying watching his mother enjoy herself. You know, sometimes you go grocery shopping and they have that music playing and you just want to groove, you know? You want to move to the music. And I do. People look at me and say, "Get it, mama," you know? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, no one is watching you. No one knows what you do except your neighbor who understands that you talk to your cat as if it's a person. The bar is pretty low for being silly. Here's the truth about boredom. Boredom usually means you're not feeling useful. You spent decades building skills to perform on a job, raising your family, solving problems. Now you have wisdom and time. That's a powerful combination right there. Wisdom and time. Whoa. So mentor, teach, write, volunteer, create, or just share your stories. Purpose doesn't retire when you do. You know, I kept my great nephews and nieces, 4 of them. And I had the best time with them. We went to the park. We watched some of the shows that they watch. I got to cook for them. And it was really fun. I enjoyed them so much. And you just have to have or feel like you have some purpose, some reason that you're still here doing whatever it is you want to do. So if your retirement life is feeling a little dull lately, this is your encore, not your ending. Shake things up. Try something new. The goal isn't just to fill your time. It's to feel alive in it. You want to feel that you have a purpose to be here. You want to feel alive. You want to feel, hey, I'm doing this. Like I say, trying something new is the best thing you could do for yourself. You could learn calligraphy. You could learn sewing, painting. You could go into substitute teaching or daycares. Anything that's going to make you feel like you're alive. Now go out there and break those chains of boredom. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Mwah.